myself. My name is Aman. I have one mother, one father, and one sister. My favorite thing is laptop. My school name is MES. My passion is football. My favorite food is biryani. My favorite place is Naran Kagan. My favorite personality is Doctor. My favorite friend is Mustafa. My favorite sport is football. Thank you. And Allah Hafiz.